Forking out. What does it mean? Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive into an interesting phrase used frequently in English, fork out. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in sentences. Let's get started. When you hear the word fork, you might first think of the utensil we use for eating. In the phrase, fork out, while the word fork is used, it's actually a figurative expression. Literal meaning of fork: a utensil with two or more prongs used for picking up and eating food. Figurative meaning of fork out: to pay a particular amount of money, especially reluctantly. Understanding any phrase becomes easier when you see it in action. Here are some sentences where fork out is used. 1. I had to fork out $200 for the car repairs. 2. She doesn't want to fork out for a first-class ticket. 3. Businesses are not happy about forking out more for employee benefits. From these examples, you can see that fork out is often used in the context of spending money, especially when it feels burdensome or more than expected. To enrich your vocabulary, here are some synonyms for fork out. Shell out, pay up, cough up, hand over. Using these synonyms interchangeably can make your speech or writing sound more varied and natural. And there you have it. Now you know what fork out means and can use it confidently in your conversations. Always remember, English is filled with these fun phrases, and understanding them can make you sound more like a native speaker. Keep learning, and I hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, happy studying!